Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, October 18th, 2016, and U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had another mediocre profitable day today. Kind of like yesterday, uh, we made looks like we made a little money, although most of that money is open trade. We closed out a whopping positive $285 in our closeout trades, but we got into 13 new positions, 7 positive, 6 negative, and we are carrying over $5,000 positive going into tomorrow. So that's pretty decent. The problem, as I see it, is that we're in this pattern of the Dow going up one day, down the next, up one day, the next, and is based on that pattern that I called the Dow up for today. It did in fact go up. It went up 75 points, but because I think we're in this pattern, kind of directionless sideways pattern of alternating ups and downs day after day, I have to call the Dow down for tomorrow. So we have 13 positions on with the possibility of a down, at least a down open tomorrow. So, we'll see if we can get out of that with profits or not. But 13 positions can get pretty damaging should we have a hard down tomorrow. I know I'm sounding pretty pessimistic here, but these stocks are not acting really nice the way I like to see them. But we'll just play it by ear here and see what happens. Like I say, we have $5,000 positive with 13 positions. We'll just have to hope for the best. But you can look here. The first 15-minute bar of the day is everything from that point on is inside that bar. It's just like the, the stocks can't break out. They can't do anything. They just basically want to drift sideways, and that's potentially can. The thing is, they will break out eventually, but we don't know which way they're going to break. And anyway, a lot of nervousness and indecision in these stocks, and when that happens, you can almost rest assured if they get going too hard to the top side, they're going to jump in there and profit taking and short selling and all that. That makes it hard for us with our style of trading. Anyway, I'll show you some of the trades for today. This first one, none of this stuff is spectacular, but it's decent. This first one is Zeop, that's Zeopharm Oncology. We bought this late in the day today, and it kept going very nicely and closed near its high. We have positive $1,000 in Zeopharm Oncology. This is another biotech, Neurocrine Biosciences. It gapped up today. We gapped by the gaps. It did kept going enough. So we're also up $1,000 in Neurocrine Biosciences. But the big one, the one that we made most of our profits today in, was in gold. This is JNUG, JNUG. That's a leveraged gold stock, and we bought that end of the first hour, and it really moved up very nicely all day and closed there right on its high, and we have $3,400 in open trade profits in JNUG. So let's hope we get some follow through there. And by the way, that could go up spectacularly in a spectacular way, even with the Dow going down. So fortunately, that's really not tied into the Dow too much. So maybe we'll have a good day tomorrow. We'll just have to hang on and hope for it. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.